discuss the different good habits that one must always practice. So we are going to talk about 12 good habits which you should observe on a daily basis. Part 2. Use a handkerchief when you sneeze. Use a handkerchief when you sneeze. Maintain daily hygiene. Maintain daily hygiene. Avoid uncovered food. Avoid uncovered food. Be kind to animals. Be kind to animals. Take care of your environment. Take care of your environment. Read books. Read books. Exercise regularly. Exercise regularly. Play with friends. Play with friends. Keep aside some time to nurture your hobbies. Keep aside some time to nurture your hobbies. Help elders. Help elders. Always put garbage in a dustbin. Always put garbage in a dustbin. Eat dinner on time. Eat dinner on time. And lastly, go to bed early. Go to bed early. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know a list of good habits that's going to go ahead and help you so much in your future life. Thank you so much for joining in today. And I hope you also check out our other fun adventures by checking the videos on our channel. The links for those will also be there in the description box. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.